Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. The Spectre embraces the future with a powerful electric powertrain that whispers to life. Imagine instant torque and exhilarating acceleration, all delivered in the smoothest, most silent way possible. The Spectre redefines the concept of luxury performance, placing an emphasis on effortless power and serene driving experience. The Spectre retains the iconic Rolls-Royce silhouette, instantly recognizable on any road. Expect a majestic and imposing stance, perhaps slightly sleeker, to optimize aerodynamics for electric efficiency. The signature Pantheon grille might be reimagined for the electric era, while design elements like the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament remain elegantly adapted for this new chapter. Step inside the Spectre, and you'll be enveloped in the opulence that defines Rolls-Royce. The finest materials imaginable, like handcrafted leather and polished wood accents, will likely create a bespoke and luxurious atmosphere. Imagine an evolution of the Rolls-Royce interior experience, incorporating advanced technology seamlessly into the handcrafted cabin. While the Spectre prioritizes tradition, it embraces advancements that elevate the driving experience. Expect a state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system behind a potentially curved touchscreen. Cutting-edge driver assistance features will likely be present, ensuring every journey is not only luxurious but also safe and effortless. Pioneering electric powertrain, the Spectre is a groundbreaking achievement, offering the world's first taste of electric luxury from Rolls-Royce. It sets a new standard for silent, effortless performance in the ultra-luxury segment. A timeless design evolves. The Spectre retains the essence of a Rolls-Royce while embracing subtle yet impactful design changes for the electric era. It's a testament to the brand's ability to evolve without sacrificing its heritage.